Five elements theory, application in TCM2. There are other therapeutic methods applied according to the generating cycle that maybe include the following. The method of replenishing water to nourish wood. This method is also called replenishing the kidney to nourish the liver. It is a method to nourish the liver by supplementing the kidney so as to astringe liver yang, and is mainly suitable for liver kidney yin deficiency or liver yin deficiency and liver yang uprising. The method of reinforcing earth to strengthen metal. It is also called invigorating the spleen to benefit the lung. It is a method to replenish lung qi by replenishing spleen qi, and is mainly suitable during an insufficiency of both the spleen and the lung due to the lung qi deficiency or spleen and stomach deficiency. The method of assisting fire and strengthening earth. It is also called warming the kidney and strengthening the spleen. It is a method to support spleen yang by warming and strengthening kidney yang, and is suitable for a syndrome of yang deficiency of both the spleen and kidney, or a part of patterns of spleen and yang deficiency. It should be pointed out that in terms of generating law, among the five elements, heart belongs to fire and spleen to earth. Fire failing to generate earth should be understood as the failure of heart fire to promote spleen earth. However, since the time when the theory of life gate was established, there was a change in this concept. Clinically, the fire refers to the kidney yang or life gate fire and seldom means the heart fire anymore. The method of mutual generation of metal and water, a method of nourishing both lung and kidney yin. It is called as the method of lung nourishing and kidney tonifying, and is mainly suitable for the case when insufficient lung fails to distribute the fluid to nourish the kidney, or the case of yin deficiency of the lung and kidney due to the kidney yin deficiency with failure of essence qi to go up to nourish the lung. The therapeutic principles and methods according to the restriction law. The therapeutic principles selected according to law of restriction include restricting the strong and strengthening the weak. Restricting the strong. This is a therapeutic principle to restrict the hyperactive viscera. For example, if the liver qi gets disordered, it can transversely affect the stomach or spleen and lead to a disharmony of the liver and the stomach, or disharmony of the liver and spleen. The therapeutic method is to soothe or restrict the liver. Strengthening the weak. This is a therapeutic principle to support the functions of the viscera being either over-restricted or counter-restricted. For example, if there is sufficient kidney yin, water, fails to restrict the heart fire, it is called disconnection between the kidney and the heart. The clinical manifestations are soreness and weakness of the lower back and knees, insomnia, spermaturia, and so on. The treatment should be nourishing kidney yin along with sedating heart fire. The therapeutic methods selected according to the law of restriction include the following. Inhibiting wood to assist earth. It is also called smoothing the liver and strengthening the spleen. This is a method to treat the case of failure of the insufficient spleen in transformation and transportation due to hyperactivity of liver qi by soothing the liver and strengthening the spleen. It is mainly suitable for the pattern of excessive depressed liver over-restricting spleen. Supporting earth to restrict water. This is a method to treat the case of accumulation of water dampness by warming and strengthening spleen yang, or strengthening the spleen and warming the kidney. It is mainly suitable for the edema due to the spleen deficiency failing to transport and transform the water dampness. Earth here refers to spleen, while water means damp pathogen. The definition is a little different. Assisting metal to subdue wood. It is also called subduing the liver and clearing the lung. This is a method to inhibit the hyperactivity of liver fire by clearing and purifying lung qi. It is mainly suitable for the case of excessive liver fire affecting the clearing and descending of lung qi, sedating the south and tonifying the north. It is also called a method of fire sedating and yin nourishing. South refers to fire and north water. This method is to sedate heart fire and nourish kidney water. It is mainly suitable for the case of kidney yin deficiency and heart fire excess. This syndrome is also called disconnection between heart and kidney. So the guide and treatment for mental disorder. The emotions originate from the 5 Zhang Visera, and among the latter, there are relationships of generation and restriction. Therefore, there are the same generating and restricting relationships among the emotions. Clinically, by applying these restricting relationships, the emotional disorders can be regulated and the disease can be treated. This method is called the restricting and non-restricting laws of the 5 emotions. Sorrow is the emotion of the lung that belongs to metal, while anger is the emotion of the liver that belongs to wood. Therefore, metal can restrict wood and sorrow can restrict anger. Fear is the emotion of kidney, of the left. Therefore, the emotion of the liver belongs to wood, right? Yes, the emotion of the spleen that belongs to earth. Therefore, wood and anger can restrict sensitivity. What is the emotion of the heart that belongs to the fire? While worry is the emotion of the lung that belongs to metal. Therefore, fire can restrict metal and joy can restrict worry. Pensiveness is the emotion of the spleen that belongs to earth, while fear is the emotion of the kidney that belongs to water. Therefore, earth can restrict water and pensiveness. Thank you for your attention.